Sorry po. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
It's okay po.
I'm sorry po.
It's okay, ma'am.
Sorry
Okay.
po. Sorry po.
It's okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I will repeat the question. Modus operandi in English, in simple English, it means method, a procedure, nakagawian, practice, modus. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor. It's misleading because there's no the witness testified that she does not remember.
No? Counsel, we both know modus has a secondary and double meaning. We can always use, is this the standard operating procedure that you followed when you were SDO in both Davao and under the OVP?
Yes.
Ito po ba yung kinagawian ninyong practice at proseso nung kayo po ay SDO ng Davao, kaugnay ng confidential fund, at nung kayo ay SDO ng OVP, na yung pagbibigyan nyo, security officer o sino man, hindi banded, pipirma na acknowledgement receipt, at pag nagbigay na siya ng fund liquidation report, fund utilization report, at nakaliquidate na kayo sa COA, babawi na.
Opo, Your Honor.
Opo. Now, let me proceed. Cash disbursement record. You are aware ano yung konsepto ng cash disbursement record or CDR. Let's go to paragraphs 7.1, 7.2. Your Honor, I endeavor to finish this before 12. I promise, Your Honor. 7.1, 7.2, 7.3. Of course, as an SDO, alam mo ano yung konsepto ng cash disbursement record. Alam mo yung konseptong iyan. Di po ba?
Umasa
Your
lang kayo
Honor.
sa binigay sa inyong report na 16 million yung renta ng iba't ibang safe house sa loob ng 21 to 31 December.
Yes, Your Honor. Nag-rely po ako sa aming security officer, Your Honor, kasi siya po ang nag-implement, Your Honor.
Okay.
Let me proceed.
Proceed, Counsel.
Let's take a look at the same list from the accomplishment report. For the period December 21 to 31, the amount for the purchase of supplies, provision of medical food aid. Okay? If we sum that up, it totals a whopping 75 million pesos para sa supplies, provision of medical and food aid. 75 million pesos. Tanong, ikaw ba ay in possession ng isang single official receipt na magpapatunay na talagang ginamit yung 75 million pesos para sa pagbili ng supplies, medical and food aid? Do you have a single ni isang official receipt? Yes or no?
Your Honor, nag-rely po ako kung anong mga dokumento ang binigay sa akin ng security officer, Your Honor.
There you go again. The question is so simple. Do you or do you not have a single official receipt to prove na ginamit yung 75 billion pesos na pera ng taong bayan sa pagbili ng supplies, medical and food aid?
As an answer, Your Honor.
Ma'am Gina, yung binigay sa inyong dokumento ng security officer para i-liquidate itong pinambili ng medical at saka food supplies, may kabilang po bang resibo doon o wala? Official receipt o wala po?
Acknowledgement receipt lang po, Your Honor. Kasi po sa...
So wala pong official receipt. Yun lang po yung tanong ni Atty. Ligutan. So wala pong binigay na official receipt yung security officer sa inyo kaugnay sa kabuang halagang ito ng 75 million sa purchase of supplies, medical and food aid.
Acknowledgement receipt po, Your Honor.
Alright.
So wala pong OR. Alam nyo naman po ma'am ibig sabihin ng OR, di ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
So wala pong official receipt.
Wala po, Your Honor.
Okay, Atty. Ligutan.
So, ito yung tanong now. Ba't hindi kayo naghanap? Galing kay Colonel La Chica. Hindi nyo ba naisip, ma'am, Colonel La Chica, kahit ba yung pagbili ng gamot? Yung pagbili, is this an advertisement? Biogesic? Paracetamol? Ba't hindi tayo mag-produce ng official receipt? Ano po yung napaka-confidential kung saan binili? Biogesic, paracetamol. Ano yung confidential? Hindi mo ba naisip tanungin kay Colonel La Chica yan?
Objection, Your Honor. Compound and argumentative, Your Honor.
I'll allow it for now, Counsel. Kindly answer, Ms. Gina. Hindi niyo ba naisip humingi ng OR?
Your Honor, as I browse or as I verify po ng mga acknowledgement receipt na binigay sa akin ni SO Officer Colonel La Chica, naitanong ko po siya kasi may napansin po ako na ang iba walang date, walang name, may perma. Ang sagot naman sa akin ni SO Officer, Ma'am Gina, kung ano man ang binigay ko sa iyo na mga dokumento, yun na yun. Kasi ang mga transaction o ang operation door is very sensitive information. Sensitive information po, Ma'am Gina. At saka confidential po ito. Kaya kung ano ang binigay ko siya yun ng mga acknowledgement receipt, yun po, yun.
Yun na yun.
I'll go directly to the point. Accomplishment report for 2022, 3 quarters, sinasabi nyo na tama yung pinagamitan ng pera ng taong bayan, 500 million pesos, kalahating bilyon pera ng taong bayan, sinertify nyo na tama yung pinagamitan kahit wala kayong personal na alam kung totoo bang tama yung pinagamitan ni Colonel Lachica. Kasi nga, nag-rely lang kayo sa sinabi ni Colonel Lachica sa inyo, hindi po ba?
Nag-rely
Misleading,
po
Your
ako.
Honor. The witness testified that she relied on the statements and the documents, not merely the.
That is my question, Your Honor. If she relied on
That was the question, Counsel. If she relied on the documents given and statements made by Colonel Lachica, which you said several times na confidential yun, di ba? You may repeat it again, Ma'am Gina. Your answer.
Nag-rely po ako, nakagawa po ako ng utilization report based po sa pagpangutana, pag-verify ko kay Security Officer Lachica na Ma'am Gina, sensitive information na o confidential information o mga dokumento nga gihatag nga gikan kay Security Officer Colonel Lachica nga ni sa ako
Ma'am, curious lang ako. May sinabi po ba siyang confidential to? Yan lang ang pwedeng bigay ko sa'yo. Wala na akong pwedeng bigay sa'yo iba. May ganun po ba?
Ang sinabi po niya, Your Honor, those transaction po or those operation po are sensitive and confidential in nature, Your Honor.
Kaya wala na po siyang bibigay na iba pang dokumento maliban dyan.
Oy, yung mga dokumento na binigay niya sa akin, Your Honor,
Yun lang yun. Hanggang doon lang.
hanggang doon lang po, Your Honor.
Okay.
Five questions. Hindi ba't
You promised before lunch, Counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, 5 questions. Hindi po ba, Madam Witness, pinalabas nyo na kayo mismo ang naghanda ng physical and financial plans para sa confidential funds ng Office of the Vice President for 2022 tsaka 2023. Gayon ang totoo. Si Colonel Lachica lamang pala ang nagsabi kung anong dapat isulat sa mga planong iyan sa plan.
Sorry, Your Honor. I confused with your question, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I will not repeat the question. I'll move on to the next.
I think that's already on the record, Counsel.
Yes.
Ma'am Gina, sinagot niyo na po dati yan.
Opo.
Na yung physical and financial plan na hinanda niyo, kumuha kayo ng input kay Colonel Lachica. Hindi po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Hindi po ba't sa mga liquidation report, accomplishment report, pinapalabas nyo na tama yung pinagamitan ng confidential funds, pero yung totoo, wala kayong personal na kaalaman kung sino ang mga tunay na tumigap ng pera, hindi po ba?
Misleading, Your Honor.
I think the
I think
record is obvious.
it's just about to be done, Counsel. Let's let him summarize his
Yeah.
points.
Hindi po ba? Hindi po ba, Madam Witness? Wala kayong personal na alam na tama yung pinagamitan ni Colonel Lachica despite the report certification. Kasi nga sabi niyo, nag-rely lang kayo kay Colonel Lachica. This time you added sa mga dokumento, hindi po ba?
As
Yes
an
or no?
answer, Your Honor.
I think as an answer. Last 2 questions, Your Honor.
Again, for emphasis, I think the witness will confirm that. Tama po, Ma'am Gina?
Nag-rely po ako sa sinabi ni Colonel Lachica at sa mga document na binigay niya sa akin, Your Honor, after po, na-implement po niya sa ground ang mga confidential activities po, Your Honor.
At wala po kayo sa ground.
Yes po, wala po ako doon, Your Honor.
Hindi po ba dahil sa mga pinaggagawa nyo sa Office of the Vice President, nawalan ng paraan ang taong bayan na pagtumain. I repeat, hindi ba dahil sa pinaggagawa nyo nawalan ng paraan ang taong bayan nagpagtugmain? On one hand, ang paper trail,
I cannot
or not
understand.
yet, ma'am, or makadokumento, at on the other hand, ang totoong money trail. Wala na pong paraan ng taong bayan na pagtugmain yung paper trail tsaka money trail. Hindi po ba? Yes or no?
Argumentative and speculative, Your Honor.
If you know, Ma'am Gina, kung alam niyo po, sabihin niyo po, alam niyo. Kung hindi niyo alam, sabihin niyo rin pong hindi niyo alam.
I will repeat the question if you may, Your Honor.
I think she understood the question, but
mas
difficult to answer on her part, Counsel, but I don't want to put words in the mouth of
Yes,
the
Your
witness.
Malalim po ang Tagalog ni Attorney Lagutan po.
Ma'am, it's ligutan. Okay now.
Ay, sorry po. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
It's okay po.
I'm sorry po.
It's okay, ma'am.
Sorry
Okay.
po. Sorry po.
It's okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I will repeat the question.